In the silence of the night, a swarm of death raced across the Ukrainian sky. Dozens of Geran-2 drones, supported by precision-guided Kh-101 cruise missiles, were unleashed in a synchronized strike. Their target, a key facility near Pavlograd, believed to house ammunition and strategic logistics for Ukrainian missile operations. The strike was fast and calculated. According to initial assessments, multiple impact points were recorded. A significant blast radius suggests that not only ammunition depots, but also transport nodes may have been hit. Witnesses reported secondary explosion sand indication of munitions stored on site. Meanwhile, in Odessa, several hundred kilometers to the south, video footage captured chaotic scenes as explosions and anti-aircraft fire lit up the skyline. Though not officially confirmed, it's suspected that additional drones or decoys were deployed to split Ukraine's air defense focus. Russian military strategy continues to rely heavily on asymmetric precision strikes. The use of Kh-101 missiles, launched from Tuesday 95 milliseconds bombers over the Caspian or Volga region, allows deep penetration into Ukrainian territory with minimal exposure. Analysts suggest that the Pavlograd facility may have been part of the supply chain for HIMARS or S-300 resupply. Destroying such nodes not only delays Ukrainian operations, it fractures internal logistics and places psychological pressure on command structures. Ukrainian sources have acknowledged strikes, but downplayed the impact. Western analysts, however, note that such coordinated attacks are increasing in tempo and sophistication, suggesting a shift in Russian operational doctrine. How did Ukraine's air defense respond? While some intercepts were recorded, many drones and missiles got through. Ukrainian sources claimed several drones were shot down near Dnipro. But the footage from Pavlograd showed at least 3 major impact zones, suggesting limited success in stopping the wave. What are the geopolitical implications? Russia is showcasing its ability to escalate on demand. Each missile launch signals not just a tactical message, but a geopolitical one. We still control the tempo. It's a warning to NATO too. Russia's arsenal still has teeth. How is the West reacting? NATO intelligence confirmed the strikes, but withheld deeper analysis. However, increased satellite surveillance over central Ukraine suggests that the West is watching closely, possibly preparing to reinforce Ukrainian air defense grids. Why does this matter to NATO? Because Odessa is not far from NATO maritime patrol routes. Any miscalculation here could draw global consequences. A stray missile or drone could escalate tensions beyond repair. Looking at the broader pattern, these strikes represent more than just isolated attacks. Russia appears to be refining its tactical doctrine, mixing drone swarms with precision missiles to saturate and break through Ukrainian defenses. It's a hybrid strategy, part military, part psychological. These strikes are meant to erode morale, stretch resources thin, and remind Kyiv and its allies that Moscow still has the capability to strike deep and accurately, despite sanctions, supply issues, or battlefield setbacks. Could Ukraine retaliate? Ukraine has shown increasing capacity to strike back, including deep attacks on Russian airfields. However, drone and missile parity is not yet balanced. For every Geran-2 destroyed, another 3 may get through. It's a war of attrition and time. What does this tell us about modern warfare? That wars are no longer fought just with boots on the ground. Drones, cyber, and psychological warfare now dominate the battlefield. You don't need to invade to damage your enemy. You just need reach and precision. The question now is what's next? As Russia demonstrates growing proficiency in coordinated air attacks, Ukraine must adapt rapidly. Whether through Western air defense systems or domestic innovation, the pressure to respond effectively is intensifying. One thing is certain: the skies over Ukraine remain dangerously contested. And tonight, Pavlograd and Odessa felt the full weight of that reality. This video is created for educational, informational, and documentary purposes only. It is based on publicly available data, verified reports, and open-source intelligence. The content does not glorify violence, promote any political agenda, or support any side in the ongoing conflict. All footage, images, and information are used under fair use for analysis, commentary, and news reporting. Viewer discretion is advised, as some scenes may be disturbing to sensitive audiences. We encourage critical thinking and support peace, humanitarian values, and responsible journalism. Do not watch if you are sensitive to violence, destruction, or conflict-related material. This video is not intended to glorify war, nor does it promote violence or any political ideology.